All right, so it comes with a carry case. It's a soft, hard shell carry case. It's made of thick plastic. It's quite rugged. USB-C charge port. So it's got a little locking push button here. It is a rechargeable unit. On off, speed, and light. Comes with a USB-C cable. So it comes with a lot of extras. A lot of attachments. Okay, so cutoff wheels, large cutoff wheels. There's the wrench. We got a few of those. Drill bits. Diamond coated. Another diamond wheel. A little saw blade. Milling bits. So I use these quite a bit. And I always end up using some of these diamond to actually enlarge holes, cut into tiles, things like that. They're useful. I use the cutting discs a lot, especially these ones. It also comes with, so I use the drum sanders the most. There's polishing, there's stones, sharpening stones, a little wire wheel, more stones, another wire wheel, sharpening stones. All this other stuff I do sometimes use, but not as much. A large assortment. So it's pretty solid for a rechargeable wireless unit. So I'm going to go charge this up and test it out. End of the Allen wrench is stripped. So if I cut it back, then it'll be good to use. So I'm going to turn this on. Cutting wheel. Cut through that pretty quick. I think it works really well. It works as good as a corded unit. I've got a drill bit here. Let's see if I can grind that. So that works really well. I want to clean the blade. Put the light on. There. So in the dark, it actually provides enough light to see. This is definitely a very handy tool, and I'll be using it quite a bit.